Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill Investing, where we show you the best investing tips and tricks. Today I got something for you I think you're really going to like. I'm going to show you how you can analyze stocks using ChatGPT. And why this is particularly important is that it's difficult sometimes to make human guesses all the time. So you can go ahead and use AI to help you. Now, again, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, due diligence. Don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. However, ChatGPT can be a good tool. I always recommend it pairing up with, different signals. So if you have different news articles you're looking at, if you have different signal tools that you're looking at, bots, whatever it is, I highly recommend that you do utilize them as well in addition to ChatGPT. So that being said, we're on TradingView here. I recommend getting an account to get started, and then you can simply pick whatever it is that you want. You can pick the stock market here. We can also see that we have a lot of different commodities that we can choose from. Stocks, funds, gold, all that stuff. You can even see the stock price here, and we can just go ahead and search and take a look and see what is going on in the market. So we can go ahead and click on stocks here. So we're going to click on stocks. We can see Nvidia, Tesla, Apple. So I'm just going to take a look at Nvidia right here. So last time we talked about all the features here. So if you're confused about features, that's perfectly fine. What I recommend you do is go ahead and take a look at the chart. Now there's two ways you can do this. You can grab a screenshot of this chart right here. I recommend going full chart. And we can see the chart right here. Now you can adjust the chart however you want. If you remember from the first video, I like the Henki Ashi right here. But you can also do Renko, Kagi, anything. You can do bars or candles. Just make sure you got that. Then you're good to go. Now instead of doing an analysis ourselves like we did before, it'll be different on Windows or Mac, but you want to go to on Windows snipping tool. I'm on a Windows PC, so I will do that. If it's Mac, you just simply go ahead and take a screenshot. So I'm going to position my cursor here and grab this. Then I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to head over to, you guessed it, ChatGPT. So you'll have to make an account. If you have not done so, pause the video and let's do it. So to see ChatGPT, what can I help you with? If you have the free version, it will allow only so many uploads per thing, but I'm just going to simply copy and paste it right here. So I'm just coming to my snipping tool, copy, paste. Then what I'm going to do here is prompt it. So if you're not familiar with prompts, it's just a command to ask ChatGPT to do something. And prompts usually can be specific instructions for the AI to tell it what to do, how to operate, and things like that. So what would I do here? I would come here, and what I would do, just simply type in some. You can make this as simple or as complicated as you want. I'm going to say analyze the chart for me. Now you can ask it questions on prediction, like should I get this in 6 months? What is the news saying? But I'm just going to say analyze the chart for me. And then it says, all right, bro, because I have kind of configured the language. Don't worry about that. We're still professional traders here. But we have the chart overview. So we have Nvidia, we have the exchange, we have the time frame, the candlestick type. So we can literally tell all the different settings that I put here. The current price, high, the key zones, the trend analysis, the insight is what I like here. No upper wicks during a downtrend, strong bearish pressure, some doji style, and bearish momentum is not yet. We also have a trend reversal with green candle, strong body. We can see the volume. Now you're thinking of trading or just watching. Set me up a game plan. So we're going to set up a game plan, guys. Boom. So just that simple. Analyze. If you want to keep it at the very basic level, analyze this chart for me, set up a game plan. A lot of people make trading out to be sometimes way more complex than it has to be. Here at Chill Trading, we keep it chill. So let's go. We got a plan tailored for the action. We'll keep it clean and flexible, give you bullish and bearish scenarios. So let's go bullish. We got the bull, the Wall Street bull. If the trend reversal happens, triggers go long. Price closes at 140K. Strong green, hanky, ashy candles, preferably no real wick. Bonus points if the volume is rising and RSI if it crosses 50. Enters a long break. Just below the recent swing, 124, 128. You got the first target, 148, 150. The target right here, 156. I'd like to go in the second. It depends on your trading style, though. Are you more conservative or are you more aggressive? And that comes primarily from like if you have experience and how much you're willing to lose. And then also, you know, how much you're willing to set your stop and loss for. Do you want to, you know, go extremely aggressive, or do you want to be conservative or somewhere in between? The moonshot target. This is literally going for the moon. 165 if momentum continues. Then the bearish setup, if downtrend continues, trigger to go short, and we can see it 140 or breaks 96 with volume. Now, how do you enter? Either short at 140 rejection or 96 breakdown. So you can literally go enter all this stuff here. We have the risk management tips and the alerts, and then optional indicators. Then last thing I'm going to do, turn this into a visual trade map. And literally you have everything you need to actually start trading. A lot of people say like, I have to get a broker, I have to hire this guy, that guy, the other thing, you know. So this is going to take a little bit, so we will chill and then we will get the map when it pops up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you have been waiting for. So here, this even gives us a visual representation, which is very nice. Bullish setup, bearish setup. Now you can see your entry points. First target, you know, the target 156 like we talked about, 88, 30, and stop target. So literally you can copy this. What I would do is save the image to my PC. So I can save it to PC. And then what we can do, while I have this up here, is come here. And then we can go ahead and open the image, or we can just use it here. And if you want to start buying, you want to start playing with this, you can actually have the image up here and do all the stuff. So that's pretty cool that ChatGPT can do all that stuff for us. And the best part is, as opposed to just, you know, hiring someone to give you signals, I see people, you know, paying for signals, paying for this, paying for, you know, that and the other. And it kind of drives me crazy because AI can do a lot of this stuff for you. So that's simply how you can get everything from AI and share your trade ideas with everybody and start trading and get a full analysis. I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.